In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create website in 30 seconds with Durable AE. We'll start by heading to durable.co. On the homepage, click Build a Website, then create a free account using your email or a Google login. There's no credit card required to try it, and having an account ensures your site and edits are saved as you go. Next, let the AI do the heavy lifting. Type in your business type, like virtual assistant, bakery, or cleaning service. You can also add a location if you want the site to feel more local, but that part is optional. When you're ready, click Generate Website. In about 30 to 60 seconds, Durable will spin up a complete site for you, including a homepage, services, an About section, a contact page, plus suggested images and copy, so you're not starting from a blank screen. Once your draft appears, click Edit to customize it. For text, click directly on any paragraph or heading and start typing your own content. If you'd like a quick polish, use Rewrite with AI to reword what's there while keeping your message. For images, click any image and choose Replace. You can upload your own photos for authenticity or use AI-generated images to fill gaps while you gather brand visuals. Now fine-tune the design. Adjust colors, fonts, and button styles to match your brand, and reorder or tweak layout sections to highlight what matters most. Upload your logo and set your brand style so everything feels cohesive. Aim for clean contrast and readable fonts to keep your site accessible and easy to scan. If you need more content, open the Pages panel and add what fits your business, such as a blog, FAQ, gallery, pricing, or a contact form. Keep your navigation simple and focused so visitors can find what they need quickly. Durable also offers built-in business tools you can enable if helpful. There's a lightweight CRM to manage leads, invoicing to get paid, and appointment booking for scheduling. Turn on only what supports your workflow. When you're happy with the site, click Publish. You can go live instantly on a free Durable subdomain or connect a custom domain if you prefer a branded address, which is a paid option. Before you share it, give everything a final proofread. Your site is mobile responsive by default, but it's smart to preview it on your phone and adjust spacing or image cropping if needed for a clean, small screen experience. Finally, visit your SEO and settings, edit page titles and meta descriptions, update your business information, and if you're on a paid plan, connect Google Analytics for insights. That's it. Your website is live and ready to grow with you.